What the fuck?
I'm gonna go on gas.
in the window.
Oh my god. Oh my god, stop. Stop, they all ran away.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Dude, there's like so many. They're on the trees.
Got my sniper.
That's fake. They're gonna do with that. Holy crap.
They're gonna come on that fucking window.
They're gonna come.
They're gonna fucking
They're
come.
gonna
Oh my god, they're like fucking bats. You guys are bats.
They're not bad.
Those are bats.
Are they really? No, they're not. There's birds. There's the birds. Eddie,
They're still coming. Where are they coming from? Those are bats.
those are birds. Those are
Those have
birds.
to be bats.
Oh my god.
Where are they coming from? You someone have a fucking ant farm? Fucking bird farm?
Dude, I was doing my homework and I was like, what the hell is that? And it was
Holy fucking shit.
they're all the way over there. They're all over there. Dude, imagine they fly in there. I'm fucking.
Dude, what the fuck are they eating?
Dude, we gotta go see if they're outside.
Oh my god, I'm fucking scared. I'm fucking scared.
This is like a zombie apocalypse. They're on the front. Damn. What the hell?
They're still coming.
That one? Dude, yo, what the hell?
Look at that lawn right there.
Someone threw. Were they eating the leaves? Oh my god! I'm going outside. I want to see what's up.
Fucking feasting on something.
Dude, I want to go outside and see what's up. Do you want to actually go? Alright, I'm gonna cut this video.